The Android tablet scene just got a serious shakeup, and it's not from the usual suspects. Lenovo is stepping up with the all-new Yoga Pad Pro 14.5 AI, a device that might just be the most underrated premium tablet of the year if only more people knew about it. Let's start with the basics. This isn't your typical compact Android tablet for Netflix and casual scrolling. The Yoga Pad Pro 14.5 AI is a 14.5-inch OLED powerhouse wrapped in a convertible body that can function as a tablet, a laptop, or even a secondary display. It runs Android, yes, but don't let that fool you. This thing is built for productivity, entertainment, and creative flexibility. Design-wise, Lenovo is leaning into premium territory here. The Yoga Pad Pro 14.5's massive OLED display immediately grabs attention. With a resolution of 3000 by 1876 pixels, 107% NTSC color space coverage, Delta 1 color accuracy, and a jaw-dropping peak brightness of 1600 nits. It's built for color fidelity and visual punch. Whether you're editing photos, watching HDR content, or sketching out designs, this panel delivers the goods. Speaking of sketching, the tablet supports stylus input. Combine that with the included keyboard and back hinge case, and you get a near-laptop experience without the bulk. The keyboard cover magnetically connects and includes a hinge that props up the tablet like a clamshell notebook. For creative professionals or multitaskers, this versatility makes the Yoga Pad Pro a compelling two-in-one solution. Now here's where it gets even more interesting. This tablet can also act as a second monitor. Thanks to DisplayPort input over USB-C, you can connect it to your laptop or gaming console and use it as an external screen. For travelers or digital nomads who want a dual-monitor setup without lugging around extra hardware, that's a huge win. Under the hood, Lenovo hasn't revealed the exact chipset powering the Yoga Pad Pro 14.5 AI, which is curious for a device at this price. Still, what we do know is that it packs 16 gigabytes of RAM and 512 gigabytes of storage, impressive numbers by any Android tablet standard. That makes it a strong candidate for running heavy apps, multitasking, or working with large media files. The battery is equally robust. With a 12,300 mAh capacity, the Yoga Pad Pro should have no problem pushing through a full workday or a long-haul flight with video playback and multitasking. It's not just big, it's efficient. Now let's talk AI. As the name suggests, this device is being branded as AI-enhanced, though details are still vague. What Lenovo has hinted at is software-level intelligence baked into Android, possibly for things like voice commands, smart stylus features, or multitasking recommendations. Whether this AI integration turns out to be a game-changer or just marketing fluff remains to be seen. And price? The Yoga Pad Pro 14.5 AI currently retails in China for around $700 equivalent. That places it right in the territory of the Apple iPad Air 13, which supports similar accessories and sells for about $735. But where the iPad leans into iPadOS productivity, the Lenovo gives you a more open Android experience with added monitor support and larger screen real estate. Depending on your ecosystem preference, this could be either a refreshing alternative or a deal breaker. The only real downside is its limited availability. As of now, Lenovo hasn't confirmed a global release, which is unfortunate. This tablet has serious potential to disrupt the upper mid-range tablet market, especially among Android enthusiasts and mobile creatives. In summary, the Lenovo Yoga Pad Pro 14.5 AI is a unique, premium Android tablet that packs a brilliant OLED display, massive RAM and storage, a powerful battery, stylus support, and external monitor capabilities. All for a competitive price. It might not be the right pick for everyone, but for those who want flexibility, performance, and a seriously capable screen in a convertible Android package, this could be the sleeper hit of 2025. Just one question remains: will Lenovo bring it to the rest of the world? Because if they do, Apple and Samsung should definitely be paying attention.